stick. I wish I could put him off leash. No, Chong, you can't chew it like that. There he is with the one stick. I'm gonna let him enjoy it for a second before I take it from him. He is a dog. I do worry about him chewing on the little stuff. Alright, me and Chong are just having a nice, peaceful afternoon. Here's Chong. He's over here looking this way. He's fascinated with these cars. Just keeps looking ahead at the cars. I wanted to show you this lake, how the sun's shining through. I think that is just so beautiful. It's almost godlike. But me and Chong were sitting at this angle, so I figure I'd share it with you guys. Alright, me and Chong are just having a nice, peaceful afternoon. Here's Chong. Okay, I got video footage from the other side of the lake. It looks like a star coming out with these trees. It's like the coolest thing ever. I thought the other side was good, but this side's even better. It's very exciting. Alright, me and Chong are over here by our favorite spot. And our favorite spot, here's the bench that we always sit at. There's this dog bowl and my dog walker bag. And here's Chong. But he always insists on coming to this corner of the world. And it's very peaceful and nice. And it does actually bring you closer to your inner self. I think so. Just the water's cascading and all the rush of water is very illuminating. And the way the trees line up, then there's the bridge. It's out of a fairy tale.